How much should you actually spend on a cup holder tablet mount for your car? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Let's dig deeper into what really matters. Product number 1, eSamcore Tablet Holder. First up is the eSamcore Tablet Holder for car, priced at $25.33. What caught my attention about this was its sturdy build and innovative design. If you want a reliable mount that holds your tablet securely while you drive, this is worth a serious look. That means whether you're using an iPad or a Galaxy Tab, it fits snugly without any wobble, even on bumpy roads. The 15-inch height and 360-degree rotation give you flexible viewing angles, perfect for navigation or entertainment. Plus, it has a customer rating of 0 stars, but over 3,000 bought in the past month, so it's clearly popular among buyers. Now, some people complained about the clamp not fitting in smaller cup holders. Here's the thing though, if your cup holder isn't between 2.5 and 3.9 inches, it won't work. But for most vehicles, this won't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want a solid, adjustable mount for your tablet on long drives. Skip this one if your car has unusually small cup holders or if you don't want anything permanent in your car. Now, if that clamp size is a concern for you, the next one on my list might actually be even better for those with tighter cup holders. Product number 2, Pour4Top Cup Holder Mount. Next up is the Pour4Top Cup Holder Car Tablet Mount, also priced at $25.33. This one grabbed my attention because of its impressive flexibility. If you want a mount that can easily adapt to your needs, keep watching. This mount boasts an adjustable base that can expand from 2.36 to 3.9 inches, fitting securely in most cup holders. The 360-degree rotation and adjustable heights from 11 to 15 inches mean you can position your device just how you like it, without blocking your view. It's compatible with a wide range of devices, from iPads to Galaxy tablets, which is a huge plus. Given that over 1,000 units were purchased recently, it's clear that folks are noticing its benefits. However, a few users mentioned that the arm may feel a bit flimsy. But honestly, as long as you aren't swinging it around aggressively, it holds steady while driving. This construction makes it super easy to adjust while you're on the go. This is perfect for you if you want a versatile mount that can handle different devices. Skip this one if you're looking for something more rigid and heavy-duty. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list is designed for those who want an even more innovative solution for their cup holder needs. Product number 3, Pstrex Cup Holder Mount. Now let's talk about the Pstrex Cup Holder Tablet Mount, priced at $37.86. This caught my eye because of its unique design that doesn't take up your entire cup holder. If you love convenience and practicality, this one's for you. What's interesting about the Pstrex is its innovative design, which keeps your beverage space free while securely holding your tablet. The adjustable base extends from 2.83 to 4.09 inches, making it adaptable to various cup holders. It also features a height of 15 inches and 360-degree rotation, allowing for the perfect viewing angle, whether you're navigating or enjoying entertainment. With over 1,000 sales in the last month, it's clearly meeting a need. However, there were some complaints about the stability on very bumpy roads. Here's the thing, if you drive on rough terrain often, you might want to consider a sturdier option. But for regular city driving, it's stable enough. This is perfect for you if you want a mount that allows you to enjoy a drink while using your device. Skip this one if you often drive on rugged roads that could shake things loose. Now, if you're looking for something even more robust, the next product delivers on that front. Product number 4, Cellit Cup Holder Mount. Up next is the Cellit Cup Holder Tablet Mount, priced at $38. This one really stood out to me for its build quality. If you want something that feels durable and reliable, this is worth checking out. The Cellit mount is engineered to withstand daily use, made from high-quality materials that provide a stable platform for your tablet even on bumpy rides. The 360-degree rotation lets you customize your viewing angle, and the easy installation makes it a hassle-free solution. It's a favorite among buyers, especially as it has 400+ units sold recently. However, a downside noted by some users is that it might be a bit bulky for smaller vehicles. Here's the thing, if you drive a compact car, it might feel a bit cramped. But for larger vehicles like SUVs or trucks, it's a perfect fit. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a durable mount that prioritizes stability. Skip this one if you have a smaller car where space is a concern. Now, if you're after a budget-friendly option without sacrificing too much quality, let's check out the next product. Product number 5, K-Tryman Tablet Holder. Finally, we have the K-Tryman Tablet Holder for car, priced at just $12.66. This one caught my eye for being budget-friendly without compromising functionality. If you're looking for a solid option without breaking the bank, this is definitely worth a look. This mount is designed for devices from 4.7 to 12.9 inches, making it compatible with a wide range of smartphones and tablets. The adjustable height and angle mean you can customize your setup, offering a maximum height of 15 inches, which is great for any passenger in the back seat. The adjustable base fits most cup holders, which is a big plus for versatility, and it has sold over 200 units recently. However, some users did mention that the material feels less premium than pricier options. But honestly, it does the job quite well for a budget mount. If you're not too picky about the materials, it's a steal. This is perfect for you if you want a functional and affordable mount. Skip this one if you prefer a premium feel and sturdier build. Alright, those were the top 5 cup holder tablet mounts for your car. So to recap, we've got the E-Samcore for its durability, the Porfortop for its flexibility, the P-Strex for convenience, the Celit for its robust build, and the K-Tryman for budget-conscious buyers. Each has its strengths and specific users they cater to. Hopefully, this helps you find the perfect tablet mount for your car.